How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you how you can install and use the Hello Screensaver on any Mac. It does not have to be the brand new 24-inch iMac. You can get the same screensaver on any computer that is running the latest version of macOS. So let's go ahead and walk you through this and show you how to install it for yourself. First of all, we need to make sure we are on the latest version of macOS. In this case, it's 11.4 or newer will work with this version and will allow you to get this screensaver. From there, we will go to a special folder which already contains the screensaver inside of the operating system. However, on computers other than the iMac, it's not actually going to show up, but it's already on your computer. Let me scroll through my screensavers. We have a whole bunch of different image ones, and then we have an aerial one that I've installed, but there's no Hello Screensaver in here. So let's go ahead and we'll install that. So if we go to go to folder, we'll enter system/library/screensavers, hit go, and you can see hello.saver is right here. So that's kind of cool. It comes with the operating system. You don't have to actually go get it yourself. It already comes with it. Next, we're going to go ahead and copy this, and we'll just paste it on our desktop. Next, we need to rename it. It's going to get installed in that same folder, and we don't want to have the same name. So we'll say Hello Mac. We'll just rename it to whatever we want. Now that we have that here, we'll double click, and it'll open System Preferences and say, do you want to install this screensaver? We'll say install, enter your password, and there you go. Hello is right at the bottom. If we click on that, it will automatically pick a color based on your background and your system color. If we want to customize that, say we have a orange iMac, we can go ahead into options and we can choose spectrum, minimal, or soft tones, or we can do all, and it will show a whole bunch of different options and colors. I like this one. It will do a whole bunch of different colors, random colors, and I think it looks pretty cool. So anyway, that is all for this video. Bonus tip for you though, if you want to install and use the Hello desktop screensavers, go to our desktop here. If we double click on desktop pictures, we can double click on desktop pictures and scroll down, and then here is all of these Hello blue, green, gray, orange, purple, red, and yellow. These are not in here. These are actually just hidden inside of this folder, which also don't show up automatically. So if you want to use these as a background picture, you can just right click on that, go to services, and then set desktop picture. So there you go, a little bonus tip for you. That's how you install the new backgrounds and the new screensaver from the Hello iMacs. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. As always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I will see you in the next one.